Capstone 6, Droughts and Heat Waves in Utah. The U.S. Southwest is notoriously known for its higher than average temperatures. Despite this notion, temperatures still followed their regular patterns up until recently. The region has been experiencing increased droughts and heat waves as a direct result of climate change, specifically in the state of Utah. According to an article by CNN titled, "An eighth of the U.S. population is sweltering under a record-breaking heat dome, climate change is making it worse." Salt Lake City recorded its third consecutive day of triple-digit heat, setting both daily and all-time records along the way. The city soared to a high of 107 degrees on Tuesday afternoon, tying its all-time record high previously reached in the month of July. Utah is highly vulnerable to droughts and heat waves due to its geographical location and rising temperatures across the globe. The forecasts in terms of environmental change are predicted to get worse. Salt Lake City experiencing three-digit heat for 3 days straight is not something to be taken lightly. As climate change worsens, the higher the likelihood for droughts and heat waves to occur will become. Environmentally, Utah will experience less rainfall, higher temperatures, and long-term droughts. Communities will also be heavily impacted by increased droughts and heat waves in the area. Heat waves are an extremely dangerous health hazard, especially for people of older age or with underlying health problems. Droughts pose a serious problem to any livestock or crops communities in the area might own. No water for an extended period of time is detrimental to people's economic well-being. As conditions get worse, more will have to be done to supply these communities with resources that they will need to avoid the impacts of climate change. Utah is one of the many places experiencing the impacts of climate change. Droughts and heat waves are just one of the many threats the state faces. These are issues that will likely increase as climate change gets worse, and there is little to nothing to do to prevent it. Communities might have to move to safer areas or to be provided with more resources. As time goes on, these will only act as temporary solution, and the real solution will be to focus on limiting our global CO2 emissions. Thank you so much.